One of my favorite meals of the day is breakfast. And one of my favorite things to eat is omelets. Ooh, I love omelets. I really, really do. And when I found out there was a place called the Omelette Factory, I had to come check this out. I couldn't even believe it. So I know you don't believe it. So we're going to believe it together by checking it out. Let's go inside and see what it's all about. I got to see what kind of omelets they make. Boom! TV magic. Andrea, you hooked me up.
I did.
Which one did you hook me up? Which one you hooked me up? Hold on a second. You hold this, cause this is hot. And since we're talking about,
it's not that hot.
It's caliente. It's caliente. Okay, you gonna serve me right, cause you're gonna put me a little. You got me the little pad there.
Sorry,
I mean,
sorry.
you know, I got fragile fingers. You can't be hurting me like that, okay? Break this down on what we got, cause I don't know if you see it. This is some good food.
This is our chorizo chilaquile omelet. So it
She
comes
knew.
with 4 eggs. 4. Yep.
Yeah,
so
she wanted to make sure my muscles was right.
I got
Thanks
you.
for looking out.
I got you.
4
We have
eggs.
Tortilla chips inside. Beef chorizo.
Okay.
Topped with some salsa verde.
Ooh.
Some jack cheese.
Uh-huh.
Sour cream. Onions. And microgreens.
Microgreens. She didn't say big greens, she said microgreens, because she wants me to taste all of this goodness. And if you don't see it, you gotta look at that. That's some good food. You can't have a breakfast without hash browns,
No,
right?
it won't hit the same.
It won't hit the same. She's already ready. It ain't gonna hit the same. So since she said it doesn't hit the same and it's about to hit my belly, we gonna hit this chilaquiles omelet, which I've never ever had in my life. I had some chilaquiles. They look a lot different, but this is so pretty. I had someone tell me it's gonna be pretty. It's a pretty one, huh?
Ready to try it?
I'm ready to try it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. This is amazing right here. The chilaquiles omelet. Never ever heard of one like this, but this is unique, just like this place right here. So we gotta get into this. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. Like they said, it's got some mini greens, it got some onions, it got some chorizo in it, it's got tortillas. It's got everything. So I am ready for this. Let's check it out. I'm gonna get nice with it. I'm gonna start with the corner and see how the corner is. The corner is where it's at. Oh, I'm dropping it. But look at this. It's going in. I mean, I'm gonna tell you, I didn't even really taste it yet. And it jumped in my mouth, and it's letting me know we're here to make business and do some serious business in your mouth, because that's what it's doing. I mean, they weren't playing. I mean, 4 eggs. I mean, it's so good I can't even really talk about it because it's that good. You ever had something so good that you literally just want to eat more and not talk? That's what's gonna be. I mean, if you have a conversation, you have some friends around the table, all y'all gonna be doing is eating. Ain't gonna be talking about much, because this is that good. So, if you want something this good because it's delicious, you're gonna have to go to the Omelette Factory, because I'm telling you right now, I'm trying not to eat it because it's that good. All right, I didn't eat all of my food because they give you such big portions here. It was amazing. You gotta see this to believe it. It's a factory of omelets, such good food. I had great food. Check out the chilaquiles if you want to, but there's a bunch of other different omelets here. Oh, it's so tasty. If you don't know, now you know. The Omelette Factory is where to go.
Thanks for watching, and make sure you subscribe to us. And remember, if you want diverse TV, watch Diverseego TV.